Hi, I'm Ehren from LayerJot, here to share more about our new count sheet manager for SPDs that don't have tracking systems. It's called countsheet AI. It's highly affordable, requires no installation. I'll show you how easy it is to get started. Countsheet AI enables you to create, manage, print, and share highly accurate and informative count sheets. You can import your current count sheets or get it done by LayerJot. Add custom instructions and gain access to the same instrument catalog used by thousands of SPD professionals on the LayerJot SIT app, with high-quality photos, curated educational content, access to IFUs, and more. Use your existing instrument names or simply use LayerJot's comprehensive catalog to ensure your count sheets are accurate and informative. Get started in a day, not months. Our free SID app for mobile phones integrates seamlessly with your paper count sheets to provide detailed instrument information, perfect for when you don't have a PC at the assembly station. Access accurate and reliable information, including photos, IFUs, and curated educational content from the convenience of a mobile device to ensure your technicians always have access to helpful knowledge. Sign up and get started with your risk-free trial today, and as a bonus, gain access to CountSheet Tutor for your technicians and students to view your count sheets on PC or iPad, at work, or from the convenience of home. Use CountSheet Tutor to educate and empower with curated educational content including notes and assembly instructions, IFUs, inspection checklists, and more. Learn more and get started with your risk-free trial at LayerJot.com.